Another mission in the bag. Huh, where did this bat come from? You can't defeat me! Whoa!
Ouch, that hurts! You should be more careful with that sword.
And you better get out of my room!
Make me!
Fine! Let's see whose half turns out better.
I hate tomato juice! Oh, it doesn't look too bad, actually. I'm a genius! Cool, right?
Stop bothering me while I'm eating!
Well, time to keep going. There we go. I think a window like this will look perfect. Fly, my friends!
Hey, get them out of here!
All right, my little helpers, get to work. Oh yeah, great job! Gothic style is the best for windows, don't you think?
No way! It actually looks great! But you still can't compete with me! Let's do this!
Not bad!
You bet! Oh, these noodles look awesome! I know! Let's take this ribbon and make it curly! Perfect! Let's take a few of these and hang them right here. Awesome! Watch and learn.
I like my design better. What?
You have something stuck in your fang!
All right, did I get it?
No, right over here!
Dang it, I need a mirror. All right, let's see. Huh, what the heck? It's not working!
Forgot you don't have a reflection?
Man, right. Time for a different approach. Buddy, take a look. Do I have anything in my teeth? What?
Gotcha! Just kidding.
Oh, you prankster.
Whatever. Well, time to check my photos. Aw, those were the good old days. Wait, I have an idea. These photos will look awesome on my wall. Oh yeah, now this room has a Huntrix style. Huh? What's that?
How did you make those photos?
Like this, see?
Can I borrow that? Thanks. Whoa.
You have to tap the screen.
Like this?
Now point it at yourself.
Got it.
Say cheese! Great, huh? Looks like you don't show up in photos either.
Oh well, thanks anyway.
Such bad luck. Poor guy.
I think I know. Let's send a little message. Mailbat, I have a job for you. Perfect. Oh, hi there.
I got your letter.
Please, capture all of my greatness.
Don't move. Done. I think I outdid myself.
Yay! I mean, excellent work.
Here you go. I'm a total genius.
Well, time to hang you up. Oh. I think I found the perfect spot. There we go. Man, I really am handsome. Just need to decorate a little bit more. Done! Now it looks like my very own altar. Let's just add a few more details. And done. Beautiful! Hey, check this out!
Whoa, that turned out so cool! Ahem.
Oops!
Oh, these vampires. You're not allowed to cross this line.
What a bummer. Oh well. Though I don't really like this thing.
Why? What do you mean?
I think I'll decorate my side. There, simple and stylish.
We'll see whose side looks prettier. Let's hang this and this. Now add some flowers here. And over here too. Wow, gorgeous! Cool! Hey look, high five!
Okay. This truly is the most elegant room divider.
Well, time to lay down the rug. Huh, what's happening? Come on, seriously? Unroll already!
Pathetic. Oh yeah, much better. Oh my! What happened to you?
This rug almost beat me. Thanks.
You're welcome.
And here's the bed. Now, let's lay this down. And add some pillows. And that's it. Comfort is guaranteed.
I guess I should check out my sleeping spot too. It's a bit cramped here. Man, I'm uncomfortable. Where am I supposed to sleep? Oh, I know. Much better.
Oh, my. Oh no, I have to save him. The bed is ready. Now I need to add some pillows.
Whoa, it's so soft. Thanks. Now I can take a nap.
Creepy, but whatever. Feels like something's missing. I know! Let's give this bed some purple vibes. And let's place the derpy tiger right here. Perfect. Now this bed fits me.
Huh? What happened? Whoa, this bed looks amazing! Mine looks so boring compared to it. Looks like it's bat time again. Head on over there, buddy. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Not bad. Meanwhile, I'll do some decorating. Let's make a shower of petals. And the tree is done! Awesome!
No way! That was magical! Well, time to show off my magic. There we go. Let's put the lamp here. Cover it with this, and done. Oh yeah, perfect. Aw, she's so cute. I should ask her out on a date, but I can't cross the line. I know what to do. Let's take the table and style my half first. Then hers. Let's decorate with styles for both of us. I hope she likes this drink. And for me, the usual. Hey, do you want to grab a drink with me?
Whoa, when did you find the time to do all this? Sure, I won't pass it up.
So, how's it going?
Not bad. You?
A bit tired, but the room is ready.
I see. I finished decorating too.
It looks amazing.
Your room is awesome too.
Let's just say we both did a great job.
I say we get rid of the border rule.
Sure, I'm all for it. Mwah.
Aw, come here. Mwah. That was intense.
Aww, he's my man. Whoa! Ugh, he can't stop looking at her. Better sit down for the show. Hey,
She's gonna show you,
how it's done.
milady.
I can't believe this is really happening to me. He went to her just like that.
If she takes my boyfriend, I'll take her identity. Fly, little ones. Surprise, surprise. Ah! What are those? You can't get away with this. Watch me. You're under my control. I am.
Huh? Where did she go? Have you seen her?
She went that way. Let's go! We're coming, Mira! But Mira's coming with me. Time to… Ouch! Watch where you're going!
Huh?
Is that… what?
Give my friend back.
Or else, you'll do nothing. You'll forget everything you saw in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hello. Let's be besties.
Fine, but only if you help me look like this doll.
You got it. Makeover time.
Whoa!
Welcome to my room.
It's spacious.
Wow, you have lovely hair. Shh. Hey, relax. You know I need to dye your hair, right? Trust me. Sit back and enjoy the transformation. Don't worry. I know what I'm doing.
I hope so.
This will be fun. Freestyle hair coloring is the best. Not a single blonde hair strand will be left. And done.
Wow, good job.
Aw, thanks. Freeze.
Huh? What are you doing?
Oh, come on, girl. It's only a braiding tool. It won't hurt. See? This is so satisfying to watch. Hunter braids? Check. So, what do you think?
I think you're nailing this.
Yay! Then good thing she didn't. And hey, this is an opportunity to do your makeup. Heels, nails, blade, mascara. These shades are in your color season. Wow, you look gorgeous.
Thanks, and I feel gorgeous.
Told ya.
I'll listen to whatever you say.
Then we can continue with #fashion. Nothing catches my eye so far.
Transformation selfie!
Not this.
Whoa! Help!
Huh? What was that? Are you all right? Oof, that must have hurt.
Whoa, good idea. Yum.
Yep.
Bon appetit.
Oh, must be the delivery. I'll get the door. Thank you. Our clothing orders arrived.
Wow, so fast. I'll try them on.
Hope they fit.
So,
Nah.
how about this?
Wow. Or never mind.
I feel so strong.
What? No way.
This is it.
Agree.
Clothes? Check. Phew. Great work, team.
Yeah.
A quick double check. Whoa! My skirt doesn't match.
Give me 1 second to fix that. Let's see. There must be an orange skirt somewhere here.
Let's hope so.
Aha! This will do the trick.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, you're right. But wait! We can turn it into a skirt! Using my tools for a good cause.
Awesome! You're really crafty. And it's just my size. Wow! I want one too! So pretty.
Yeah, you need one to be a hunter.
Huh? Do you knit?
No. Oh, but I craft. Looks like your wish is granted.
Wow. How did you?
Call it talent.
I know what it needs.
Good thinking. I'll quickly attach it, and done. Your hunter charm is ready.
Yay! The dress is complete.
We're nailing this, girl.
All thanks to you. Ouch!
Sorry, my bad. Wait a second. You don't have the right shoes. Let's take care of that. Come on, step inside the first box.
I don't know what to expect. Wow! Cool magic trick! Oh, so cute and comfy. Can I keep them on?
Unfortunately, no.
Wow! Princess heels! So chic and fancy. Whoa! But I can't walk in these. What do you think? Please agree?
You look so uncomfortable.
Glad we are on the same page. Wow! I think this is it. I feel so confident and strong in these.
Yes, slay. You look gorgeous.
Oh, I'm so happy.
If there's food, I will never not eat it. Freshly popped.
I want some. Buttery. What? Oh, I have no jewelry.
You called me? I got what you need.
Wow, so many.
Not so fast. See those targets? You need to prove your hunter skills first.
Ah.
That's so easy. Here, take these.
Yeah, speak for yourself.
You got this.
Come on, please. Ha! Did you see that? Yeah!
Bravo. Here's the second one.
I can do this. Yeah! Will it hit? Ha! It did! I'm the best.
Good job.
Oh, the last one. The moment of truth. I can't fail. And I didn't. Yeah!
Here's your reward as promised. My work is done.
Bye!
Come on, let's check them out.
So edgy. Can't do without a necklace. More is more.
Perfect. Well, there's one last thing to do. Hope you're ready for this. Sing! We're going up, up, up. It's our moment. Come on, your part is coming. You know, together, we're glowing.
Gonna be golden. That was so fun!
Smiley! One more. And post it for our fans.
So many likes!
Fans never disappoint.
I owe you for this. I got you a thank you gift!
Aww. What is... Whoa. Great gift.
Oh. Not the real action begins. Time to get out of here. Bye! I'm here, and I'm looking better than ever. Hey, handsome. Mwah!
Hey, gorgeous.
Oh, what? Where? Mira?
Finally, I'm back. That little.
I know where she went. You!
Huh? Uh-oh.
You can't fool anyone.
I'm seeing doubles.
Oh no, I'm in trouble. She's a fake. Pick me! I'm the real deal. No, me! You wouldn't dare.
That's enough. This will reveal the truth.